mark in a half gap size from the edge of our curtain. A half gap size in this instance is 5 centimetres. And now we need to measure our pleat size from our first pin. And today our pleat size is 15 centimetres. So we now need to come across to the 15 centimetres to pop our second pin in. Now that we've got our pleat marked out, we need to bring the 2 pins together. Now that your pins are aligned with each other, now you're ready to machine stitch the baseline of your pleat. At the machine, you want your needle to be lined up with where your pins are. You can remove your pins, and then I'm just going to concentrate on keeping the edge of my pleat along the edge of my tape. You're going to come just past the bottom of the buckram, and then we're going to backstitch. And it's that easy to create your single pleats.